The destination is Playa Lapa, a rental beach house located in a very remote location close to the Corcovado National Park on the Osa Peninsula in Costa Rica.
Check the security of your seatbelts. We'll be landing shortly. Thank you.
Taking a flight from San Jose to Puerto Jimenez on the Osa Peninsula gives you a wonderful overview of the spectacular Costa Rican scenery. Puerto Jimenez is the main hub for the Osa Peninsula and is often the starting point for expeditions into Corcovado. Our destination, Playa Lapa, has no shops, towns, or electricity lines. You need to be completely self-sufficient in such remote locations. We brought large blocks of ice for our large cooler to keep our food fresh. The road to Playa Lapa is very primitive, with no bridges over the many riverbeds. However, the scenery on the way is spectacular. Arriving at Playa Lapa, you are completely swept away by the beauty of the surroundings. You have to generate your own electricity with solar panels and have to rely on satellite for communication. Do not find hotels here, only a very few self-sufficient green eco-lodges that serve very few people. Many beaches in Costa Rica are protected from development. The beach along Corcovado, which stretches for many miles, is typically completely deserted. Many rivers run into the Pacific Ocean, and following these rivers is a simple way to explore the splendor of the rainforest. If you're careful in your exploration of the forest, you will likely see a lot of animals like this coati.